Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download Microsoft SQL Server. So let's get started. For this, you'll require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the address bar, you need to type Microsoft SQL Server, download and press enter. You'll get the first link, SQL Server downloads. Click on it. Over here, you will see the download now button, but we are not going to download the paid version. While making this video, SQL Server 2022 is available. So you need to scroll down. Here are the free versions which you can download. One is the developer version and another is the Express. SQL Server 2022 Developer Edition. It's a full featured free edition licensed for use as a development and the test database in a non-production environment. So we'll go with the developer edition. You need to click here, download now. This is going to download the setup file. Once downloaded, you click on open. You will get a pop-up. Select yes. I'll close the web browser as we don't need it. Here three options are there: basic, custom and download media. We will go with the basic. Make sure you have a good internet connection. Once you select the basic option, click on accept. This is the minimum free space requirement, that is 8494 MB, and it is also going to download around 1 GB of data. And this is the install directory. I would recommend not to change this directory. Proceed with the default. Click on install now. And this is going to download the required packages. So download is successful. It is installing the setup file. At this step, I would recommend to take a screenshot of the screen. To do so, you need to click on Windows key, type snipping tool, click on open. Over here, make sure this in drop down, you can select window and click on new. Then select this window. So it has taken a screenshot of the screen. And click on save. So this screenshot has got saved. I'll click on close. SQL Server 2022 Developer Edition is installed successfully. We'll close this. How to install SSMS we'll see in the next video. Click on yes. You can cross check the software is installed correctly. You can click on this Windows key, click on all apps, scroll down. Over here, Microsoft SQL Server 2022 folder has got created. You can expand it. In this, you can see all the tools available: SQL Server 2022 Configuration Manager, SQL Server 2022 error and usage reporting, import and export data, and installation center is provided. So Microsoft SQL Server 2022 is installed correctly. So that's all for today. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.